Come here. Get that out of your mouth. Hey. Look up here for Mama. Mama. My Mama Jill. How about Peppa Rich? Peppa Rich. Is that your favorite Peppa? That is. Yeah, we know. You and him are like buds. Give that back. Just like buds. Can you say hi? No, I don't know how to say hi yet. Can you show him you can say Dad? Dad? Dad. How about Mom? Mom? Can we say Mom? Come on, let Mama Peppa know that you can talk. Hey, where's your Bubby? Did Bubby go with Mama Missy and Peppa Jen? Yeah, he did. Keep talking. They want to hear you talk. Look at that cheesy grin. Can you give him a cheesy grin? Smile. Smile. You look so concerned. Austin. Smile. Say, Mommy's a nutcase. Mommy's a nutcase. Yeah. We all know that. Quit playing with my shoelaces. Awesome. Austin. Quit playing with Mommy's shoelaces. Hey. Hey. Smile. Smile. You want to show them your teeth first? Hey. Look at me. Hey. Come here. Yeah, you're going to show them. Come on. Get up. Ost. Hi. Come on. Come on. Don't. You can do it. Come on. Yeah, Mommy's not going to help you this time. You do it all by yourself. Quit playing with the carpet. Hey. Leave carpet alone. Hey. Come on. Come on. Come on. You have to crawl up here a little bit more. Come here. Come on. You got it? Yeah. Come on. Ost. Come on. You're doing it. Oh, you're on your dress. Hold up. She's on her dress. Hey. Look up. Austin. Smile. Hey. Come on. Get up here. Mommy's got you. Come on. See? Hey, no. Let me see them teeth. Yeah, look at them teeth. Come on. Come on. Yeah? What? You're a butt. Yeah. 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 Yeah.